Here we have the kit of the summer. If you've got a 12-year-old girl who's looking for squishies every weekend, this kit is for you. It comes with all the tools you need to make your very own squishies at home. There's great instructions here on the how-to. Comes with A and B flex rubber, and then all the tools to make the squishies. We got gloves, pom-poms, coloring, the eyes, some chains, popsicle sticks, the mixture, even gift bags. Here we go, gift bags when they're all done, and then the molds to make the different kinds of animals. So this is a great summertime project. And if you can't find the squishies in the store, just make them at home. We're loving this kit. You will too.